Leo hatiri undu tangaja nyumba ya ngwataniro NASA ni momoku thutha wa Kalonzo Musyoka wa Wiper kwanire na kayu kanene ati niwe ugakorwo ari mutongoria wa gatano wa bururi wa Kenya thutha wa President Uhuru Kenyatta uliokarikia itena riake ria utongoria mwaka-ini wa 2022. Kalonzo aniriire mucemanio-ini uria gutafanitio ni kiama giake kia Wiper na atongoria kuma ikamba-ini uria uma kaunti-ini ya Machakos.
We have nothing to fear. The worst that you can do is to have fear. And Kenyans, we are coming. This community is saying we are coming.
Mucemanio uyu urongoreirie kwamba muthingi wa kunyitithania ruriri rwa ikamba kaunti-ini ithatu iria nicio Machakos, Kitui na Makueni. Kalonzo akiuga ihinda ni ikinyu ikamba.
We are going to rebrand. We are going to rebrand. And I propose that kwa sababu tunaimiza umoja wa wananchi wa Kenya and the sovereignty of our borders, and that because you have brought closure to the election cycle 2017.
Kalonzo igite gicigo giki gikoretwo kihatirikite kiuthi wa nambere kumana na kugonderera kwa atongoria gukorwo akiuga ritana riake ria ndereti ya kibururi ikuruhainie nduriri ciothe no riguthie nambere.
And I'm going to reach out to every leader. Nitaongea hata na kina mama. I'll go and see Mzee Moi. Wangapi wanasema tukamaone Mzee Moi? Wangapi wanasema tumuone Mzee Kibaki? Wangapi wanasema hata mama ngine tumuone? Wangapi wanasema tuongee na Uhuru Kenyatta? We have no problem. Kwa sababu hii safari One Kenya itamaanisha all those people watakuwa citizens of this country and a president ambaye mmemweka kengele.
Ukiri uguo atongoria wa Vinyandeti na Charity Giru aliatia memba kiama kia Wiper nimeranĩire kunyita mbaru Kalonzo Musyoka gukahorana na giturwa kia president mwaka wa 2022.
Take leadership. You know, it is very good to feel that people are together and they can fight together.
And we are not saying we hate other people. No, they are still Kenyans. And when they come to live with us, they live with us in harmony, but they also give us our space, isn't it?
Ihinda-ini riu Kalonzo Musyoka ni akomithitie kwamurithio kwa miguna kuma guku bururi-ini kuria oritie mawakiri a miguna matigatigithirie kumutetera. Ritana riri riukitio riri ciama cia Ford Kenya na ANC iriguanĩire kunyitanĩra hari kunyitithania muingi wa gitaru kia ruguru rwa bururi muoroto munene ari gwetha utongoria wa mwaka wa 2022.